Hi, my name is Aaron Rubner with iCartTX here in Las Vegas, where it's very sunny and very hot, showing at InfoComm. iCartTX is a relatively new company. However, we have a lot of background in the AV and video conferencing space. Today we have our brand new IC-700 cart. This cart will support all the way up to an 80-inch display or dual 65s. We have multiple different types of shelves for whether it's the tablets that are with today's video bars or shelves for the video bars themselves. It's very easy to move around. It's got built-in integrated handles. It has a nice integrated way to mount gear in the backside so you can keep it hidden with this removable panel. And you can find more information about this cart at www.icarttx.com.